Welcome to Italy! Today we're making ragu. If this doesn't taste Italian by the end, we're all going back to Nigeria. Let's start by finally chopping our vegetables. First, olive oil. Italians use olive oil for everything. At this point, I think they even moisturize with it. Onions, carrots, celery. Look at me chopping vegetables like I know what I'm doing. Chopping them nice and fine. Now, into the pot. And we stir. Now the meat enters the chat. Finally, because vegetables alone were starting to make me nervous. We'll add this and cook it until it's nicely browned. Just keep stirring to get all that flavor. Add tomato paste. This tiny spoonful is acting like the CEO of the whole recipe. Just stir it in and let it work its magic. Now add wine. Some goes into the pot, and the rest is between me and Italy. Let it simmer until it reduces. Pour in the tomatoes. Now it's looking less like a science experiment and more like actual food. Let it cook for hours. Italians are patient. Me, I'm already checking every 5 minutes. Look at this beautiful ragu. If an Italian grandma sees this and smiles, I've succeeded. Please, I want you to serve it with pasta and Italian Parmigiano. Thank you so much for watching. We love you all. Hey bestie, let's make fufu. First things first, peel the cassava. Look at me working hard. If cassava had feelings, it would already know I'm tired of it. Cut everything into chunks and throw it in the pot. The cassava is now enjoying a hot bath while I'm still standing here. Time to drain the water. Don't ask me how many times I almost poured the cassava away too. We thank God for wisdom. Now the real problem begins. Whoever invented pounding fufu definitely didn't think about my arms. Add a little warm water, not too much. This is no longer cooking, it's a science experiment. Keep pounding until smooth. At this point, the fufu is getting stronger while I'm getting weaker. Look at that, nice and smooth. After all the stress, this fufu is finally behaving itself. Serve with your favorite soup. Suddenly all the suffering has become worth it. Almost. Look at this beauty! If you don't tell me well done after all that pounding, we're going to have a serious discussion. And just like that rice, you were just